He's booked for almost every party. He's become very vocal about the type of music being played. Shuttle Bus holds a reason with Richie Rich.
So Dancehall have a new commanding selector in charge right now. We're going to talk about the one and only, Shuttle Bus. Shuttle Bus. So how about man?
Yeah, you know. To each his own. Yeah. Everybody have them point. Everybody have different perspective from certain things. So. Them saying money pull up a kill dancer. To be honest with you, you have women who give you money pull up too.
Yeah.
For girl song when I play.
Yeah, but what I must say still basically, it's like because of the money thing, man, I play a song for just a certain type of audience. You get me I say? And not for everybody can understand and will a vibe about it.
So let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
If you get money pull up, you can complain about it?
I'm not complaining as a man I put it out, but in idea for the patrons, right?
For the patrons, right.
The patrons put the spot over there, right? Though?
Exactly.
So we made them enjoy themselves set speed.
Yeah,
so for the people who are complaining about it, what are your views on it now? When they understand what I want on your side.
I'm not too anybody. Selectors me complain about it.
Selectors complain about it?
Yeah. And that's why I'm asking if you get money pull up as a selector, you can ball about it.
That's the man say, if I work it, yeah? What a style now. But
yeah.
Females are complaining now. That me I hear. So the man them not play no man, sir. You see me I say?
You know a woman boss me. You know that too.
We know that. Whole life everything.
And the woman them send me to the street and I never get one of them complain there for woman I say, Shuttle Bus now play for them and them thing. You can look on some flyer where you see Mark, girl song only. Who you see on it?
One Shuttle Bus man.
You say Shuttle Bus on it. Alright then. Mere people are complaining and mere man are complaining. Like for example, selectors are complaining. If you are the only one that's playing for females, though, you'll book out though. You know say a woman requests a promoter for book a selector.
Never know, you don't know?
Yeah, most of the bookings them a female know say if him not play, me not come.
Female attract man right away, that's so.
Exactly.
Them man them dead.
And a man now gonna know say him. A girl a request of you. All if me and him no deal, he might book you. You get me? He might go book you, but I can be honest, I can tell you the truth, I don't enough party, I see like man directly play for money pull up.
Yeah.
You see, I see man directly play for money pull up.
The female really like though.
You see, and that most women no like. You see.
It's about a chopper song and...
Yeah. But some them give feedback from it too, you know, the woman them.
Yeah. What feedback from here?
Yeah man, you have going on some dance, some girls stand up for you man, now move. What about girls singing and play?
So if you're the rifle rock right now, man.
Yeah, rifle rock the girl man.
I'm one of my dirt bunks.
And on the waistline. You don't know, we just there for entertain, you know, you don't have nothing to do with me, you know.
Said speed.
My work, me I do, you know. Now I got to sacrifice my local career for certain things, you know.
Fair to say you're the youngest and the baddest right now.
Yeah.
You are the man right now, the body look out for right now.
Yeah.
The youngest one. I don't know, say you will like giants out there already, I do for them thing, but you right now, I do a difference right now. So we want to know what the plans, the future, how you look.
Future bright, you know. Future, honestly, the future bright, like match up play stadium right now.
Yeah, because we see a lot of big promoter, Shuttle Bus.
Now we overseas date them behind one another.
How was that feeling, bro?
Yeah man, America man, I'm here. Tell Joe we did it. See there? As we get the visa, we paint it.
That me answer.
Yeah man, that one long time, that would be a dream boy, you know. Most of them artists that we see, we both in Corona. Am I alive, you know? But I'm not claim them career. Remember my life, everybody there can hear the song them. Like the people say, what that song your name? Who sing this? Yeah man, when I'm there for my life, I'm going to see me go skeng. You make it sing?
Yeah.
And they say everybody know that song there, and they say everybody start know say skeng, you know. If everybody willing to be honest with themselves, you know.
Yeah, cause to be honest right now, everybody doing work, you know, but right now, that's what everybody say. Are you from Corona right now?
Yeah.
I do.
And that most man need for accept a scene. And that most man, because Corona, everybody humble and comfortable inside, and they must say, when outside open, now hear about them man them. People them see it, look into it and say, oh, the outside run up and down. who the outside, who the inside entertain them and them something there. So the rest of them are comfortable and just there in them shell and know say, we are waiting till the place open back.
What are your inspiration, what push you right now?
My daughter and my family.
So it's sweet.
Coming in a game with nothing you see. So you know there are going to be criticism, people are going to criticize because it's in the game. Once you have a talent and you know what you do, you see, you know what you do and going forward are just positive. You see, because we always hear the negative in it, going in the game.
Speaking of positive, your advice to the younger selector right now out there, where you know, want to break the set speed, want the set speed, want the set spot, set, you know?
Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Respect the elderly one. You see, respect every elderly selector. But don't be a fool. You see them go as far as try to get you out or try to go against you. Push back fire upon them.
Everybody know, but right now, all people can find it.
You don't know. You want your booking to link Ramesh Entertainment. You see, in set speed, you link Tajay Mackay, which is the manager. But Ramesh, you don't know the booking agent.
So Ramesh is the man in charge right now.
Yeah, booking agent.
You hear from the man himself, eh?
Yeah, you know.
So, last and final, what makes Shuttle Bus intense?
The style. I come in with a style where I never seen a dancer. Come in with my own style, you know? And the good thing about it, I may give myself the break. There's no one that can claim my career say them boss me. So I'm not obligated to nobody, I don't owe nobody nothing. Nobody no more than we. You see? That makes Shuttle Bus intense.
So right now, one Shuttle Bus.
Normal, you know?
Here for the man himself. People can find me, Richie Rich, 876, Instagram right now.